Oh, thanks, Dave. That was brilliant, wasn't it? Now, Nottingham-based entrepreneur, she's been chosen to front a national campaign to help other businesses negotiate their way through the pandemic. Hana co-founded the Bead shop more than 20 years ago, but when COVID-19 hit, she had to find ways for her small business to survive, including online craft workshops and weekly newsletters. She's now helping others become digitally savvy.
Bubbles, bangles, bright, shiny beads.
I love beads. I've always wanted to be a shopkeeper as well. I always like watching Mr. Ben and Bagpuss and all of the programmes like that all romanticise having a shop. And yeah, my great aunt had a shop as well. But no 2 days are the same. It's always different. You never know who's going to come in, what beads and necklaces people are going to bring in to fix, and the stories they'll tell you behind them.
Make somebody dream.
And one of the studs is snap.
But it still goes through from the back.
It goes through from the back in, so we'd have to take it out.
Yep.
She only bought it 3 times, and it was a lot of money.
I make sea glass, earrings and pendants. So I'm just looking in here for some silver backings and things.
Wearing bubbles,
I have a mentor that's helped me develop my business and the mentoring and coaching that I do, and I primarily work with independent business owners who've got shops. It's really nice to be able to help with people. We were shortlisted for Pivot Entrepreneur of the Year for the Great British Business Awards, and from that they put us in touch with Google and BT, who are looking for businesses to showcase and talk about the mentoring and the online training that they do. So it started off with just an email and then a phone call, and then that spiralled to a day of filming and a TV advert that's on BT Sport, and now a trip to London to teach Google employees and also visit the House of Lords.
I have heard.
The shop's doing really, really well, and I love what we do.
Wearing bubbles, bangles and beads.
Oh, brilliant. Do you know, she's actually down in London teaching Google employees to make silver stars right now as we speak. I'm very impressed, actually, that Anna has managed to wear an outfit which exactly goes with Hannah's amazing hair.
It was almost like it was planned. It wasn't, but it does look that way. And I have to say, Hannah, I do have hair envy. I've always wanted to have pink hair. Right, weather-wise, what are we expecting then? There's a lot going on over the next few days. Stay tuned to the forecast as the details become clearer as we head towards the weekend.